I'm testing a brand new brand today, Ravy Beauty. I have a link down in the description. So this is quite a new company, so she has not been able to release that many things yet, but she has some really exciting 3-in-1 lipsticks. Really nice quality. She has some blushes in different colors. She also came out with a brush and some lip oil. That's what I'm having on right now to prepare my lips. And then beautiful brow pencil with a spoolie. So you have the brow pencil here. It's really thin. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Luminous Plus Smooth. This one. Let's get started. Always give it a good shake to mix it all together. I'm putting a little bit on the back of my hand, and as you can see it's quite runny, so I'm using a brush. I usually don't like it to cover too much around my mouth. I have dry skin, a little bit more T-zone and oily there. Yeah. I think that looks pretty nice. Do you agree? And just leave your comments down below. I don't mind. Let me know what you think. I forgot to bring my concealers. So let's do them at the end. So let's continue now with for a blush. I'm really in love with this one. It's the Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blush in the color Oasis, and it's all made in Italy. Good quality, I'm telling you. Then we have this one, which is Paradise, and the last one is Daydream. For my blush, I really love this one, the Oasis. I think that will look really good as a blush. So I'm just taking a little bit on my brush, tap off the excess, and then we go slowly. And we want it in the upper part here. You know, I'm 50 plus, so a good tip for us that are 50 plus is to keep your blush on this side. Don't go down here. So keep it in this area from the center of your pupil and brush it upwards to get the lift, right? And yeah, I think it looks really good.
Turn this up.
So this is it. See how easy it blends out. You don't need to do much here at all. So for the bronzer, I'm going in with the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is medium warm for me. And I'm doing the same brush, just a little bit on the side of the nose. Not too much. A little bit there. A little bit more in the forehead. And then I was actually thinking to just use blush for my eyeshadow. I'm sorry, you guys, I don't see that much. That's pretty nice. Let me say so myself. Okay, I'm going to use this one for this. So I'm putting a little bit in the corner and in the outer corner. And then I'm taking it up to the crease, then blending out, blending it out and up. And that's a nice look when you're getting older, you know. I'm just going to take off some of that and then go in with one of the other ones. Now this is the lighter one. We'll try that and see how it is. Actually, I like that. I'm using the same brush, but I'm just going to squeeze it a little bit and then do my under eye. I think that's going to work. And now let's go in with one of the, let me just swatch for you the 3 ones that I chose for myself. So this is Tulip, then we have Lily at the top, and then the last one I have. She actually had 9 different shades, so you can find yours, I'm pretty sure. And then we have the last one here. Like that. And my favorite, I think, is Dahlia. Let's try Dahlia on. Yeah, that is so pretty, isn't it? And then the last part, I'm 50 plus, so I want to be really careful with where I'm placing my concealer. For me, I think it's most important in this area, maybe a little bit out here. So again, in this area, a little bit out here. And for my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Anti-Creasing I guess. It's that one. Then I'll use a brush to tap it out. I will actually try to not go too high with it because of my wrinkles. And for day-to-day use, I don't think you need that all the way up. But that is up to you, of course. Then a little powder, setting powder underneath my eyes. And I'm going in with my all-time favorite. This is the one from Givenchy, Prisma Libre. And this is still actually the old formula. I'm so happy to still have some left. Let's go in with eyebrow pen and spoolie. So I will start out by combing my eyebrows. And I'll try to show you what I'm doing. Ooh, it's not easy to work with your left hand. So what you do is try to find where you want to do some extra, and you just put in some extra stroke of hairs. You only need to go lightly, but find the spots that need to be filled in. You can also line up a little bit. And then go over with your spoolie again to even it out. How does that look? Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good if I must say it myself. And then on the other side. So for the highlighter, I'm using this one from Fluorasis. It's called Twin Lotus.
Turn it up.
Voila! That's it. Let me just finish the whole thing. And remember, I'm in my late 50s. I think this looks really good. I did a really good face mask just before starting to get lots of hydration to my skin. And that makes a huge difference on the wrinkles and the fine line. So if you are 50 plus and you have wrinkles and small lines like me, remember to really moisturize your skin. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Give your comments below if you don't agree. Was Ravy Beauty approved by Dr. Brand? Yes, it's absolutely approved. Amazing. Please go and check her out, Ravy Beauty. I will leave a comment below with my link. I'll see you in the next one. More exciting things coming up, so follow for more.